everyone, my name is Zoan and welcome to my channel called Sublimation. So this is just a continuation video of my heat press unboxing, and I just want to come today to show you the extra stuff that I bought to get started with sublimation. So I got this. This is a tape dispenser that I got for just for the heat tape, because these are special tape that you need to get to be able to tape down your design when you do your transfer. So it's like a pretty big. I think I'm gonna be placing this right here. Whoops. Okay. So I'll probably be placing. Okay, so yeah, just like that. Be placing next to my heat press. So this heat press is called Craft Pro from Heat Press Nation. And I also bought a bunch of, I don't have the Sawgrass or a printer that I converted, so I decided to just buy my sublimation transfer sheet from, you can buy them on Etsy, but I was on this Facebook group that they sell each transfer sheet for $1, you guys. So I was just thinking that since I'm only starting out, I don't have the space for the sawgrass yet, I'll see how adding this to my business, how it goes. I just want to make some of my shirts myself, you know, like I'm a person, like I like to do more sewing, but since I want to learn how to do my own shirts, own t-shirts too, so I decided to just start off with this and buy off of the Facebook group. So I bought $100 worth of transfer sheet because you get free shipping if you buy over $100. I'll share you guys the transfer sheet that I bought. Oh wow. So with this one you get two design on it. And then I bought this design. This one is kids. It's a kid's life. So I bought a couple of the same one because, you know, I don't know what design will do well. So I just bought a couple. Like if it sell well, then I will reorder them. I think I bought too many of like the 100 days of school. So that was the unicorn. This is the monster truck. And then dinosaur. I think I bought too many of the dinosaur. I was supposed to only get... Yep, I did. I think I clicked it too many times. I was supposed to get 4, but I clicked it too many times, so that was 8 of them. And then I like this one. This one is, it's like, I don't know if you guys can read, it's backward, because it has to be backward because when you place it on the shirt, it'll be the right side. It's just a Louis and leopard. And then this is a Chick-fil-A design. I thought this one was really cute. You want to say faith and the cross sign. I don't go to church, but I just thought this design was super pretty. I'm going to try to do those bleached shirt with this. I think it'll stand out really well. And it's also great for like springtime, Easter. So I got that design. And then I got the mama design with the headband. I need to learn to make my own headbands. I like wearing headbands. I have a big forehead too, so I don't know how like the headband will look on me. So I was reluctant to wear a headband for a while, but I think I'm gonna try to make my own, see how it look on me. Some more mom life shirts. So this is the other leopard pink color. And then more mom life shirt. This one she has a pink leopard or cheetah print headband. And this is the girl, the little girl design to go with the mom shirt. And then I got the sunflower with the cheetah print inside. And then I got this one. I just thought that this one was pretty with all the tie-dye color in the back. It says, I'm blunt because God rode me that way. Okay, yeah. And the girl has some really cool tattoo on her. Thought that was a cute design. And then this is the Bad Mom Club design. And this one's the rainbow. It just said be kind. And then this is my favorite, Starbucks. Peace, love, Starbucks. I can't wait to make this one. I like Starbucks. I don't drink it that much, but this Starbucks is closer to our house. And there's more Starbucks here than Dunkin' Donuts. So, but I also got the Dunkin' Donut design too. This is super cool. And then I got another mama design with the leopard or cheetah. You guys know I love cheetah print or leopard print. I was thinking about maybe I should just make a whole wardrobe of like leopard print shirts and dress. And then I got the mini that go with the mama. And I got this one says mama that go with this one too. Okay, so this one I asked them to make into a baby size. So I think that's why it wasn't printed like this one. I think this is like the youth toddler, and then this is the baby size. That's why. If I want to get the toddler size. I think I'll go back, and if you want the baby size like this one, you have to ask the owner on Facebook. And if you guys are interested in getting these transfer sheet, I can I'll leave the Facebook group. I don't know if I can link any Facebook group because it's a private group. So I will leave the name down so you guys can search on it on Facebook. If you guys want to make your own, or you can ask me to make it for you if you don't have a heat press too. Because I'm planning to sell these on my Etsy shop. Yeah, so this is just a business tip for you guys if you guys want to get into sublimation and you guys don't want to deal with like the printer and images. Just buy them. I know that Etsy sell these for probably more expensive, but with this group, it's a good price. So they have a lot. They always put new design, and they also take special requests. Like if there's a lot of people requesting, they will put out like new designs of what majority of people request. So yeah, if you have a heat press and you want some good price for the transfer paper, transfer design like I got, I will leave down the link for the group. So anyways, my husband already got it set up,